Hey there. I just want to go through another nuance of this that is sometimes helpful for real estate agents, but it's also available for the general public if you are investing in real estate. And this is one of the most common questions that we get about real estate is, gosh, should I be setting up every one of my properties in its own LLC? The answer is it depends. You can, from a tax perspective, it honestly does not matter. And the reason for that is if I am individually investing in 123 Main Street and 246 Smith Road, I can write off the same things for the income and expenses of those properties on a long-term rental that I would otherwise. And it doesn't matter if it's set up in an LLC. Now, you want to go, if you are thinking about this in a real estate context, immediately go and talk to a real estate or business attorney in your state, because they will be able to give you some contextual guidance around the legality. Maybe from their perspective, they'll say, boy, you should, because it's going to give you more protection. But if I've owned 123 Main Street and I've got a loan on that property, beware. Talk to an attorney about this, because a lot of those mortgages have some sort of due on sale foreclosure that can sometimes trip you into a problem with your bank where they say, we underwrote that property based on you, not based on an LLC. So your timing of when you go set up that LLC may be when you go refinance that property or when you buy it for the first time. That way they underwrite it appropriately. But from a taxation perspective for a long-term rental, you're going to be able to write it off on your Schedule your Schedule E for rental properties by property address, irregardless of whether you have a LLC or not. And definitely different between whether or not you have multiple properties as well. You can write off all those properties. If you look at the Schedule E, you can see it. It's property A and B and C all the way down to however many properties you have. But if I decide that I'm going to buy a property with someone else, LLC, partnership, that's really important. So you can see how nuanced this gets. You need to talk to a CPA locally or talk to us. We work in multiple states. And you need to talk to an attorney in your area. That will help you to decide how you're gonna properly set it up. But most of the decision-making criteria around the question of real estate in an LLC or not is really kind of twofold. It's, did an attorney recommend it? Do I need to do it because of the nature of it, because it's really a partnership? If those two things are in place, then hire somebody to help you. It's too complex, it's difficult. You could ask ChatGPT to your heart's delight, but there's nuances to this that are really, really important to get some professional guidance from, and from somebody who understands it. And there's lots of real estate agents out there that understand it. Lots of CPAs out there that understand it, lots of attorneys that do. And so those are the professionals that you want to make sure that you have in your corner to make sure that you're setting it up right.